Chili oil is a very common sauce in a lot of Chinese households. Each family has their own recipe. Today I would like to share my own recipe with you. Firstly, prepare a quarter cup of chili flakes. You may adjust the spiciness by adjusting the quantity. Add 1½ teaspoons of toasted white sesame seeds. Half teaspoon of salt. Set aside. Then we prepare the spices which will give very nice aroma to the oil. 3 star anise, 2 teaspoons of cloves, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of Sichuan peppercorn, and 1 cinnamon bark. All these 5 spices are the ingredients of the 5 spice powder we use in Chinese cuisine. Also, we need 3 bay leaves, 2 slices of ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic. Then we heat up 1 cup of oil in low heat. You can use any kind of vegetables oil. When there's a bit of waste on the oil, then we can add the spices. Remember to keep it in low heat, otherwise the spices can be burnt. During this process, the oil is absorbing all the nice aroma from the spices. Keep frying until the garlic has got golden brown and there's less bubble around it. Then it is done. It takes about 5 minutes. Then we can switch off the heat and then remove the spices using a sieve. Awesome! Then we can add the oil to the chili flakes. Add a small amount of oil at the beginning to see if there's any chili flakes get burnt. Mine looks good. Add the rest of the oil. The heat of the oil helps stimulate the aroma of the chili flakes. That's good. As simple as that. Let it cool down for 10 minutes. Then transfer the chili oil into your favorite container. Wait for a day to let the oil to absorb the color and the aroma of the chili flakes. Awesome! After a day, this is the homemade chili oil. See how nice the red color is. The chili oil can be kept in the fridge for 1 month, so you can have it whenever you like. Enjoy! We add chili oil in noodles and rice and also use chili oil in other dishes. Today I'm having dim sum. Let's have some chili oil with it. Add some chili flakes on top. The chili oil has very nice aroma. Yummy!